Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account in Imo app. First, launch the Imo app on your device. And here we could see we are required with our phone number. So simply write your phone number and tap on the right button, which is just beside your number, and tap on the OK as well, and tap on the allow. And here it says there will be a verification call and it will simply direct you into your name. So write your name and tap on the right button, which is just on the top in the blue font. And you can also add your picture in your profile. Tap on that camera option, which is visible in your screen. And on the bottom that says take a photo, choose from an album. You can either take a photo or choose from your album, and tap on the allow. Here we can see we can pick any of that, so simply tap on the one of the picture you want to add in your profile and tap right option, and on the top right corner tap on the right option as well and tap on the allow. And here we see guys, we just created an Imo account. You can also invite your friend. So here we see our profile on the top left corner here. So we simply made an account on Imo. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for upcoming uploads.